Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini CLI. First, we'll cover the installation process, ensuring you have the necessary tools. Then, I'll guide you through authenticating your account, which is crucial for secure access. We'll also explore some fundamental commands to get you started with interacting with Gemini directly from your terminal. This will provide a solid foundation for your command line operations. Now, let's dive into the core commands you'll use most often. We'll look at how to generate text, which is a primary function of the Gemini CLI, and also how to generate code snippets. You'll learn to specify different models for your requests, allowing for varied outputs. Plus, I'll show you how to format your results, making them easier to read and integrate into your workflows. These commands are your gateway to powerful AI interactions. Moving on to more advanced techniques, we'll explore how to manage longer, multi-turn conversations within the CLI, maintaining context across your interactions. I'll also demonstrate how to integrate Gemini CLI commands into your existing shell scripts, automating tasks and enhancing your productivity. Finally, we'll discuss some best practices to ensure you're using the CLI efficiently and securely, maximizing its potential for your projects. These tips will elevate your command line experience. To wrap things up, let's address some common troubleshooting scenarios you might encounter during installation or usage. I'll point you towards the official Gemini documentation, which is an invaluable resource for in-depth information and advanced topics. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book on personal finance, as well as other helpful deals. With these resources, you'll be well equipped to master the Gemini CLI and leverage its capabilities effectively. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.